So shopping for men at Christmas can feel impossible. They say they don't want anything, or they already have everything, or they just shrug when you ask. So today I'm taking the guesswork out of it for you. I've rounded up some of the best Christmas gift ideas for men that are practical, stylish, and actually enjoyable to receive. Plus, I have divided them up for the type of man that you have. Now, these are gifts that work for husbands, dads, brothers, and anyone who appreciates comfort, quality, and a little bit of everyday luxury. Grab your cup of tea. I know this is a different type video. Let's get started. First off, what to get for the man that has everything. So my first gift idea for the man in your life would be this pack of batteries. You're going to get 100 AA batteries for under $30. That is a super hard deal to beat. Plus I use these batteries, so I can assure you that they work very well. So next up is not an unconventional gift at all, but there's a reason you need these house shoes. They are breathable, they have memory foam, plus they are able to go indoor and outdoor. Some men also always need tools, but who wants to lug around a super big and heavy tool case? Get this 12-in-1 hammer multi-tool. It's going to come with a hammer, like a little saw, scissors. This is so awesome to have. So no one likes having a flat tire, but for the man in your life, this portable tire inflator is perfect. It's compressed, you can easily air up those tires and then store it away when not in use. So if you know a man that doesn't mind a libation or two, check out this whiskey smoker kit. This is going to come with everything you need, including an ice maker and 2 whiskey glasses so they can get those old-fashioned drinks with bourbon and whiskey. Next up, what to get for the outdoor or the Mr. Fix-It guy. So next up, we have the perfect gift for a man that works outside, especially during the fall and the winter. This is a heated vest for men. It stays heated through a battery pack, so you have to plug it in and charge it, but this will keep you nice and toasty, whether you work outside or for something like a football game or early morning golfing session. So if the man in your life has ever come in from outside drenching in sweat, I have the perfect gift for you. This is the 2-in-1 hands-free hat fan. This thing works so well, perfect if he works outside or even if he's just cutting the yard or gardening. It has 3 speeds and it is rechargeable. Also think about this for camping and fishing. Okay, so I already showed you guys a nice little cooling to get, but what if the man in your life works outside? I'm going to suggest you get this portable fan. Now this can clip either around his neck or under his shirt, like on his belt loop. And what this does is blows the air. It blows wind up his back or chest, instantly kind of cooling him off. This is perfect if he works at a job site, for camping, or just to wear outside in general. So if the man in your life packs a lunch every day, this electric lunch box heater would be awesome for him. You can go ahead, pack his lunch, and it's going to stay warm until lunchtime comes. So if the man in your life is the adventurous type and loves the outdoors, or if he lives in an area where he has a lot of inclement weather, this emergency survival kit is perfect, and it has over 140 pieces. So if the man in your life is a grill master, this stainless steel barbecue grill tool set is perfect for him. So I saw this and I actually wanted it for myself. If the man in your life does a lot of woodworking or works with plumbing and all that, you have to get him this super gauge. So all you do is you're going to press it up against something and it's going to memorize the shape for you. So when you go to cut the wood or do whatever you need to do, the shape is right there and there's no more guessing. So if the man in your life is an outdoor man or does a lot of DIY, you already know he's going to have some aches and pains. So this heated massage gun is going to be perfect for that. Every time I have a man come over and help me do something at my house, one thing I always hear them say is, oh, I stripped the screw. Took me a long time to figure out what that was, but this is a screw extractor. So no matter how many screws you strip, this is going to help you out. Okay, last one for the Mr. Fix-It man. So this magnetic cuff is perfect for making sure he doesn't drop any screws, bolts, nails, anything else. It wraps around and everything stays securely attached. The GQ likes to look nice guy. I love when a man smells good, but some of these cologne prices have gotten out of hand. Here's my hack for you. Check out Arabic cologne. It smells good, it's very rich, it stays on for hours. Plus, it's not going to hit your wallet so much. I don't know about you ladies out there, but my gosh, I love a good beard. And if the man in your life has a beard, give him the gift of helping him take care of it. This beard kit is going to have everything you need, lots of little goodies in here. This Michael Kors watch is totally understated and perfect for the man that loves nice things without them being too over the top. So if you love that Michael Kors watch but not the price tag, check out this cool dupe I found for you, a quarter of the price, and it's going to come in a huge variety of colors. So whatever your man in your life likes, you're gonna find it here. So if the man in your life is super into colognes, give him the perfect gift of helping him organize it. This beautiful cologne tray is so cool, and it even comes with a drawer that pulls out. Next up, the athletic guy. So if the man in your life is more on the athletic side, this 5-pack of crew neck t-shirts available in different colors are going to be perfect for him. Breathable, he can work out in them or just wear them under his shirts every day. Once again, if the man that you're going to be buying for is more on the athletic side, go ahead and give him the gift of comfort. This super comfy Hanes sweatshirt is perfect and available in a ton of colors. And if you have an athletic man in your life, you already know those aches and pains always come, especially if they're men of a certain age. But check out this heated wrap that he can wrap around his waist or his back to get rid of all of that. Now, if you have an athletic man that you are shopping for, they're either going to be walking, running, bicycling, or at the gym. Either way, he needs a good pair of headphones. One that really is going to give him the sound that he needs. These are the one. One of my favorites, the foodie guy. One snack I always think of when it comes to men is going to be beef jerky. Check out this pack of 4 Righteous Felon beef jerky packs, available in 4 really fun flavors. I think the man in your life is going to enjoy. Okay, so if the man in your life is a foodie and a beer drinker, trust me, he's going to love this. Give him the gift of making his own craft beer at home. It's going to come with everything he needs as well as instructions. Trust me, I gave my stepdad this last year and he loved it. It was so fun. So we talked about beer drinkers, but what about coffee drinkers? There are a ton of men who love coffee. So why not give him the gift of a beautiful and very capable espresso machine for under $100, almost unheard of, and this one has great reviews. And last but not least, the techie guy. So one cool thing that I've seen a lot of men kind of hint that they want is this Aura ring. Now this is going to be able to track over 50 health metrics, including sleep, activity, stress, heart health. I mean, anything that you need it to track. It's so cool, and all you have to do is wear it as a ring. This is going to be a huge seller this Christmas. Now, if you love the look and the features of the Aura ring, but you don't love that price tag, I found you a very capable dupe, okay? This one right here is available in 3 different metals, just like the Aura ring, and it tracks a ton of stuff. You have a nice app you can look at. They're gonna love this one as well. Last but not least, I've never met a man that said, you know what, I think the TV is big enough. It can never be big enough for them. So forget trying to buy a big enough TV. Buy him a projector. That way you can project it on a wall and make it as big as he wants. This one is great because it's not expensive, but the picture is very sharp and clear. Okay, y'all, so I hope this Christmas gift buying guide really helped you out. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Bye, guys.